But this is our problem. We are the ones who can solve it. Therefore, with the European Union, we have the problem of you unilaterally saying that you put sanctions on Burundi. This is our member. They are part of the East African community. When they were joining the East African community, one of the experts from Arusha came and told me that Burundi cannot join. I say, why not? He spoke in Swahili. Ata watashindwa kulipa ada. You know, ada is fees. Membership fee. And this person was from the secretariat of the community. I told him that economic community is not about ada. It's not about the fees. It's not about membership fees. Economic community is about, first of all, economic trade. And I can tell you, Burundi, even before they joined, they were members of the East African community. Why? Because of the internal problems, Bagaza had set up quite a number of factories. But because of the problems, the factories collapsed. So Burundi were buying East African goods. So what other membership do you want? So what I told that man, he said, the fees of Burundi should be shared by us. Because Uganda is already benefiting from the Burundi market, when Burundi is not benefiting. We are selling in Burundi, Burundi is not selling back to us. Because the factories had collapsed. Tanzania is selling there, Kenya is selling there. So we who are benefiting from the market of Burundi, we should share the fees, and we did. We shared. We shared. You pay so much. You pay for Uganda, but also share the Burundi. So European Union and other big players. Recently, there was talk about South Sudan, that they wanted to put sanctions on South Sudan in the UN. But what sort of bad manners is this? I am the one who knows South Sudan. As I speak now, there are 1 million South Sudanese in Uganda, refugees. So who are you to talk about South Sudan? I am the one carrying all the issues. For you, just come as a tourist, and you are the one who says, I say, please, if you want to punish the leaders in South Sudan, I will be the one to whisper to you that these people they cannot change. Let's do this. It should come from the region, not from far away. So please, Burundi, it's our member, and we want them to sign after we have harmonized. We want them to sign the EPA, but how will they sign when they are under sanctions without a discussion? So please, our house is our house. Don't come into my house without consultation. If you are really my good friend, I thank you and I wish you good luck.